Let's get into a token launch today. And this is one that is kind of unique. We'll show it to you guys, give you kind of an insight on it, where it's going, all that good stuff. You don't want to miss it. My name is Paul Barron. Welcome back into Tech Path. Before we get started, first thing I want you guys to do is join the Diamond Circle. If you're not already in the Diamond Circle, make sure and do it today. All you have to do is go over to Paul Barron Network. You'll find it right there on the home page. Click Learn More, and that's going to get you in there. What this will do is deliver to you our daily email, and with that, we often drop additional content that does not make it here on YouTube. So check it out, see what you guys think. So the big news today, of course, is Bitcoin to Solana, made seamless. Now, I know many people probably thought, oh, Paul, this is some clickbait. Actually, this is the ZEUS network that essentially is making liquidity pretty much a reality now for Bitcoiners. And this is something that Bitcoin has continued to struggle with, but also have now opened up some opportunities here. Obviously, we're playing in the Solana backyard. Of course, the founders or some of the investors on ZEUS Network is Anatoly over there, Munib, which of course is the founder and co-founder of DApps, the Ordinals chain, when you think about that and what's going on, and then of course Andrew Kang. All right, so ZEUS Network has another product called Apollo, and this of course is where they're doing their alpha test right now. And they're bringing DeFi to Bitcoin. So this has been a problem and a challenge, I think, for Bitcoiners. Okay, jumping over here to their Twitter account, Apollo by ZEUS. Apollo testnet update, 47,000 users now, average engagement time around a little over 2 minutes. The cool thing here is this is one of the top voted on initiatives. And I think when you look at liquidity and the needs for that, Solana, of course, is kind of going in this direction where liquidity will really open up with this potential here. So Apollo and ZEUS, of course, those products starting to tie together. All right, so it launched over here on Jupiter, and many of you guys know that's pretty much one of the best DEXs out there for Solana. And the cool thing with it, and I think this is one of the things that I think makes this such a unique asset, many others have launched this way, including When and also Jupe launched this way. But the point being is that this one came out, or was planned to come out, around 30 cents, shows the complete liquidity of the token, and then we of course see price discovery after that. If you were setting up your orders, you could go in, and this is a kind of cool thing that I think a lot of people miss with Jupiter, is that you could dollar cost average, set your limit order in here, do a direct swap. All of that was available for you guys to do that and jump into it. Now it's trading at around 81 cents right now. If you go over to Bird Eye, you can kind of see this. But there was a handful of people that were able to catch that dip at around 35, right into that range right there, around 69, which is where I'm kind of hovering. And now where it's trading, of course, around 80 cents. So this is a good example of these types of networks starting to launch. And of course, this one, creating that pipeline between Bitcoin and Solana. That is a big value, I think, going out there. So check it out. Again, some of the markets that it's starting to pop up on now, you can get it at OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, some areas even being X and XT. So, of course, I would suggest just go into Phantom, your Phantom wallet. You can go right in through the Jupiter exchange and go that route if you decide you want to do something with this token. All right. If you guys are not following me on X, make sure and do that. It's @PaulBarron. We'll catch you next time right here on TechPath.